Hi everyone, my name is Reigne and this is my husband, Jano. We have been living in Ireland for almost 5 years. Traveling and filming around this incredible country is one of our biggest passions. We love visiting the most famous Irish locations, but also less known destinations. In this video, we want to share with you how we spent a relaxing day in Wicklow. Watch until the end to know more about a county that is known as the Garden of Ireland. Welcome to our channel, Rain or Shine. Please don't forget to subscribe for more travel content. Rainforest Spa is just a 30-minute drive away from Dublin city centre. We chose this small but cozy spa because some of my colleagues had recommended it to me. It is located next to the Summerhill House Hotel in a quiet area surrounded by nature. Their facilities are clean and beautifully maintained, with a fantastic jacuzzi overlooking the charming landscape. We chose the Treat for Two package that included a glass of bubbly, the use of the jacuzzi, relaxing area and sauna for 1 hour, plus a coconut cocoon body wrap with foot and skull massage. The staff was very friendly all the time and the masseurs were really skillful in their jobs. If you're coming during the weekends, try to book well in advance to guarantee your spot. I feel fresh and refreshed. Thank you, Rainforest Spa. After the amazing treatment, we felt full of positive energy to keep exploring the area. The tiny and lovely village of Enniskerry is just 10 minutes walking away from the spa. So we left our car at the spa and took a nurturing stroll through nature.
So beautiful.
Catnap.
Catnap.
Our first stop were the peaceful grounds of St. Patrick's, a neo-Gothic church from the 19th century surrounded by tall trees and a historic cemetery. Then we kept our way towards the main square of Enniskerry. Here, pretty historic houses and picturesque stores are located around the 19th century clock tower that dominates the scene. In the parochial hall, we met a very kind local artist called Bray. After enjoying his painting exhibition, I couldn't miss the opportunity to buy his book about his childhood times in Wicklow. We were already very hungry, so it was time to enjoy a delicious brunch in one of the nice cafes of the village. Afterwards, we walked down to the Cookstown River, where in total solitude we quietly observed its waters running with an enchanting melody. Enniskerry history and architecture are connected to the Viscounts Powerscourt, the local landlords from the Wingfield family that owned the nearby estate. For this reason, the famous Powerscourt House and Gardens were the best options for our next destinations in this day trip. Sadly, the interiors of the Palladian mansion were destroyed by a fire in 1974, but the gorgeous gardens still make a visit here totally worth it. Overlooking the Sugarloaf Mountain and the Wicklow countryside, these huge gardens have a great variety of plants and trees from different parts of the world. Our favorite areas were the elegant Italian garden with the Triton Lake, the romantic Japanese gardens with its colorful flowers, and the fairy tale Pepperpot Tower. But every corner of the gardens was delightful in its own way. Although the gardens are one of the most famous attractions in Wicklow, we were there in the afternoon and there weren't many tourists, so they resulted to be perfect for our calming getaway. We didn't want to stress ourselves by visiting many sites in this day, but we couldn't skip to include in this video the nearby Powerscourt Waterfall, which we visited a few weeks ago. Its proximity to Enniskerry makes it an excellent option if you are traveling around this area too. There is a link in the description box if you want to check later our recent Top 10 Waterfalls in Ireland video for more detailed information about this spectacular cascade. To end this relaxing day, we decided to drive to the coast of Wicklow and have dinner in Bray. This coastal town is easily accessible from Dublin city centre by car or public transport, and it's an ideal place to enjoy a sunny summer day. Though the weather had already become a little cloudy and colder, it's always gratifying to look at the sea and merge our thoughts with the soothing effect of the waves crashing in the shore. We were missing some yummy fish and chips, so we treated ourselves before heading back to Dublin. That ends this Wicklow vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you know more about this county, share with us other nice things to do and sites to visit in Wicklow. We have posted other vlogs in the past from places like Glendalough or Wicklow Town, but we love this county and we can't wait to return. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep creating more travel content. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.